Alright, it's early Saturday morning. Aubrey's over here. Today's the day. We're gonna bust out the Chinese Husqvarna and see if it'll even last a day. Everything's loaded up. Got oil, everything's filled, extra gas. My little jig, the trailer to load up. Fuck, we're ready to go. Let's get some skins there.
Deer hide.
Take it home. Make a fucking blanket out of her. Let's see what we can find inside here. Just looking around for some dead pine, but everything's still alive here. Aubrey's just way down there in the trees checking it out, see if there's any wood. So I'm pulling the trailer into some spots might be kind of awkward to get in and out of, so you think we'd be able to find some wood pretty easy with all these trees standing, but dead standing spruce being so close to the city seems so far to be all picked over. Unless you want to burn poplar, and I'm not a fan of the poplar, even though some people will love burning that. Well, for the life of us, I couldn't find the tree I wanted. But there's this little stick right there we're gonna chop down. Fuck you. Oh, there she goes. Falls the way I want it to now.
I saw sparks coming out of there.
Definitely gonna have to do some tuning on that, but I forgot the screwdriver to do the tuning. But today we'll just get her out and run her. Cut down some trees, burn some fuel through her. See what happens. Aubrey wants to make this tree fall the opposite way, which is leaning. We'll see.
See what happens, yeah.
Alright, time to fuel up. I only got regular mixed gas and supposed to have like 91. I have like 88, so there's 93 mixed in here. That thing is down quite low, so we'll get some fresh fuel in her.
Fuck, she's so green, eh?
Yeah, that one is. I got a mark down maybe one time here. Is that good for you?
Yeah, they're gonna be about a foot. Yeah, that should be good. Oh shit. Man, this saw's so much lighter.
I know, yeah.
That's our spoils of war. About 3 trees. That should last me till at least spring. Alright, we're all strapped up. Tarp is a little on the short side, but we'll make it work. This is the problem with cutting wood so close to Calgary. There's millions of people out cutting wood, getting Christmas trees. Coming up here, a bunch of people are getting Christmas trees, and I probably highly doubt it that many of them even have their permit. Alright, we're just at the Fisher Creek staging area. You can camp and quad here. And we're just gonna stop for something to eat and then ship out of town. Aubrey just went into the bush there. Some sort of trail. What is there, a hiking trail? Oh, it is? I wonder if you could cut it from this area.
No, you have to be a kilometer away from a provincial campsite.
Oh, you do?
Yeah.
God damn it. Hey, government's always got to fuck you somewhere.
You're not allowed to take wood. I don't
Well,
know what the fuck for, but
you're not allowed to take it if you get caught.
that's right. It's free until you get caught.
That's right. What's Aubrey having? Chicken teriyaki, that's a good one.
Yeah.
I'm trying to decide between scrambled eggs with bacon or vegetable stew with beef.
Fuck, I don't know.
I'm gonna go with the vegetable stew with beef.
I'm gonna go over there. You ever taste?
I love these camp stoves.
Yeah, they're fucking great. I took one out when I got wood there the other day.
Yeah.
I took it out with me when I stopped at that by the creek there. I cooked up some fucking grub.
My igniter not working? Oh, there we go. Fail of the day, forgot a fucking spoon. And Aubrey had a spare one, but it's broken, so we're gonna have to share. God damn it. I always forget something, except today I forgot 2 things. Tool to tune the chainsaw and a goddamn spoon. I'm gonna assume those little chunks are potatoes and dried beef. Carrots. I don't see any corn in there. Holy crap, just call me Butters. Jesus Christ. I went to put the shield to kind of shield my thing, and I dumped the water out. Look at that, spilled all over. Fuck's sakes.
Hi, my name's Jerry.
Yeah. Butterfingers! Using the spoon I cleaned off Aubrey. It's actually really good. It means business. Alright, so now I'm home back in the garage. We're going to start off loading the wood pretty soon, but I just brought the chainsaw. One of the things I did is I noticed that hard to start when hot. So it could be leaning out after we leaned it out when we first got it going. So I turned the screw out probably like a 1/16 of a turn, and also had a problem with it idling. So we turned the idle screw in, open up the throttle some more. So I'm going to throw the air filter back on and fire this thing up again. Well, we won't know until we get to take it out again. Seems to be idling all right now. Alright, there we are. Got a bunch of wood split right there. Some of it's still kind of wet, so I don't know how well it's going to dry over the winter time here. Got a bunch in there, like 3 rows deep. And made a bunch of little kindling to get my fire started, so I'm hoping these should dry out fairly quickly. And if I can get a fire going with these, then hopefully I can get those to burn too, but that will be determined in the future. But anyways, it's motherfucking beer time. Grasshopper by Big Rock Brewing. Fuck, this is gonna taste good after a long day. Oh yeah. Oh, actually no it doesn't. After all the beers I drank last night, yeah. A lot of fuck ups today. This is what happens when you have a fire and then Fedor comes over with a case of beer after you've already been drinking, and you go to bed with your head spinning and then get up and try to get shit ready for the day. I forgot a spoon for my lunch. I forgot the tools to tune the chainsaw. And I kind of felt like ass. But overall, the Husqvarna Chinese chainsaw held up for the day. Didn't really put it through too much punishment because I need to properly tune it or we could do some damage. It is a heavy saw. No question about that. The steel is way lighter, way easier to handle. Not even close to the power though. The Husqvarna, even in the state it's in, is a beast. Absolutely, that thing is an absolute beast. So, like I said before in the video, the Husqvarna is going to be used to cut down the trees, and the steel is just going to be used to cut the logs once they're in the jig. Anyways, next time, hopefully things will be better. If you have any questions or comments, post them below, and I want to thank you guys for watching. Oh.